You build this instrument as good as it gets with all the constraints for power, for weight, for costs, for time. The launch pad doesn't wait. If the rocket's gone, you can have a better instrument. And on Mars, things happen that you never thought of. And getting experience through the year-long calibration, simulating different things like putting a sample a little bit further away and getting this systematic, changing the temperature, changing the conditions that might impact the spectrometer, helps you to get a feeling for the measuring method, and helps you explain things that you didn't even dream of. For example, we experienced a couple of I wouldn't call it mishaps on Mars, but things that I didn't think of, like the apxs on MER. Like the apxs is an instrument where you put a radioactive source in close contact to a sample. It irradiates the sample. And we have with the source a detector that measures what the sample emits after the irradiation, and it tells you what the sample is made of. At one point, the instrument was a year in the mission, and all the results that we got tweaked into one direction. All the light elements got larger. It turned out that our detector released nitrogen. So the X-rays were not absorbed anymore, and the heaviest absorption is for low Z elements like sodium. And that's why they got up. So ultimately, I changed the calibration of the Martian data, got reasonable results again, could fully explain why the response of the spectrometer changed, and the outcome was the instrument was working better than we planned it for, because the low Z elements were not absorbed anymore by the nitrogen. And so this is kind of the thing that Mars and nature throws things at you that you cannot expect in the variety at all. And you just have to try to do your best to understand the data. We're not geologists, we're physicists. Therefore, we give our compositional data to geologists who are experts in geology. They know what it means if there is more sodium, more silicon, more sulfur, more chlorine in a rock. We didn't know this in the beginning.